Hello, my lovely learners. How are you today? Let me ask you something very honest. When you speak English, do you say, hmm, you know, a lot? Don't worry. You are not bad at English. You are not weak. This is very normal. Today's lesson is special. Today, I will show you how to stop saying and start speaking more clearly and confidently. This lesson is easy, slow, and perfect for beginners. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn together. Part 2, why we say and First, let's understand why this happens. We say and because our brain is thinking. We are scared to make mistakes. We don't know the next word. We feel nervous. This happens in every language, not only English. Even native speakers say sometimes. So please, stop blaming yourself. But if we say it too much, the listener feels confused and our confidence goes down. Good news? We can fix this, step by step. Part 3, simple replacements for and Now listen carefully. Instead of saying we can use easy English words. Here are some simple replacements. Instead of say, let me think. Say, one moment. Say, okay, or simply pause. Example, I go to office, morning. Let me think. I go to the office in the morning. See? No, Very clear, very nice. Pausing is powerful. Silence is okay. You don't need to fill every second with sound. Part 4, slow speaking practice, teacher style. Now let's practice together. Please repeat after me, slowly. Sentence 1, I work in an office. Pause. Very good. Sentence 2, I am learning English. Pause. Excellent. Sentence 3, let me think. I like tea. Perfect. When you slow down, your brain feels relaxed. Your mouth feels relaxed. And disappears naturally. Remember, slow English, clear English, confident English. Part 5, daily habit to stop. Hey. Now I'll give you a daily habit. It is very easy. 1-minute speaking rule. Every day, take your phone. Open voice recorder, speak for 1 minute. Topic ideas. Your morning, your food, your job, your day. Rule, no. No, Pause is allowed. Example, today I wake up at 7. Pause, I drink tea. Pause, then I go to work. This small habit will change your English fast. Part 6, confidence mindset, very important. Now listen to me carefully. Making mistakes is okay. Thinking slowly is okay. Pausing is okay. But stopping yourself is not okay. English is not about speed. English is about message. When you stop saying people listen more, you feel stronger, and your confidence grows. You are learning, you are improving, and you are doing great. Part 7, calm and motivating. Before we end, remember this sentence. I don't need to be perfect. I need to be clear. Say it again. Slowly. You don't need fast English. You need clear English. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode of TwinTalk English.